Hello everyone, welcome back to Lumin World. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular and in-demand fields in technology, data science. After watching this video, we will know what is data science, parts of data science, field of data science, and the responsibilities of a data scientist. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel, comment your thoughts, and hit the like button. Data science is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to make informed decisions. It's a multidisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to extract insights from complex data sets. Data scientists use a variety of tools and techniques, including machine learning, data mining, and data visualization to uncover patterns and trends in data. Data science is a relatively new field that emerged in the early 2000s. With the rise of big data, there was a need for experts who could analyze and interpret large volumes of data. Data science quickly became an essential skill in many industries, including healthcare, finance, marketing, and government. Data science can be divided into three main areas: data collection, data analysis, and data interpretation. The first step in data science is collecting data. This can involve gathering data from various sources, such as social media platforms, websites, and databases. The data can be structured or unstructured, and it can come in various formats, such as text, images, or videos. Data scientists must be skilled in data cleaning and preprocessing to ensure that the data is accurate and ready for analysis. Once the data is collected and preprocessed, the next step is to analyze it. Data analysis involves applying statistical and machine learning techniques to identify patterns and trends in the data. This can involve using algorithms to find correlations between variables, clustering techniques to group similar data points, or regression models to make predictions. Data visualization is also an essential part of data analysis, as it allows data scientists to present their findings in a clear and concise manner. The final step in data science is data interpretation. This involves using the insights gained from data analysis to make informed decisions. Data scientists must have a strong understanding of the domain they are working in to be able to interpret the data correctly. For example, a data scientist working in healthcare must have a solid understanding of medical terminology and practices to be able to interpret patient data accurately. In today's world, data is everywhere. From social media platforms to e-commerce websites, we generate massive amounts of data every day. Data science allows us to make sense of this data and use it to improve our lives. For example, companies use data science to improve their marketing strategies and make better business decisions. Healthcare professionals use data science to develop new treatments and improve patient outcomes. Governments use data science to make informed policy decisions. So, what does it take to become a data scientist? Well, it's a highly technical field that requires a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. You'll also need to have excellent problem-solving skills and a willingness to learn new technologies and techniques. Data science is a field that requires continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest trends and tools. There are many different types of data scientists, depending on their area of expertise. For example, a business analyst focuses on using data to make better business decisions, while a machine learning engineer uses data to build predictive models. Other areas of expertise include data visualization, natural language processing, and data engineering. If you're interested in becoming a data scientist, there are many online courses and certifications available that can help you develop the skills you need. Some popular online learning platforms include Coursera, Udacity, and edX. You can also attend workshops and conferences to learn from experts in the field and network with other data scientists. In conclusion, data science is an exciting field that has the potential to change the world. As we generate more and more data, the demand for data scientists will only continue to grow. If you're interested in a career in technology, data science is definitely worth exploring. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.